reality. I'm sure the person who is trying to catch that water will go fill that water in a water tanker and take it to all houses. Because selling water today is one of the most profitable businesses in Bangalore. I always wanted to have a borewell rug up in our place. Somehow I didn't get the permission, but if that is the case, I'm sure to quit my software job and take that profession. I'm sure I'll be able to make more money that way. Of course, Aam Aadmis, the mango people are always there on the other side. They're not innovating, but the person innovating will end up making money, and of course, giving a chance for all of us to speak on this. Thanks for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
The third speaker for today, Anita from Vassity.
Hello, me? Is the signal reachable? Yeah, I'm in the Toastmaster meeting, I just be there, I am speaking on cable topic. There's some cartoons and all displayed, man, I don't know what's happening. I know all of you are staring at me just like the way they're staring at them. Distinguished Toastmaster, my fellow Toastmaster and guest. There I was thinking I'll have to be speaking on Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, Tom and Jerry, the ones that I've been watching throughout my life, and here I am looking at reality in a comical form, and I am confused. Do I have to say the real thing that the cartoon is trying to tell, or do I have to just go with the flow? How many times have we seen this happen on the road? I have done this. I'm pretty sure all of us have done. Pretend as if we've got a missed call to avoid somebody. Pretend as if we are talking on the phone to a very important person to impress somebody. And I'm sure during my college days, a lot of people have tried that on me. Hey, I'm talking to the captain of the team. Just wait for a second, Yeah, total level, I've got an attitude quotient, you see. But if you dig deeper, it's such a nuisance. If you're standing in a queue to pay the bill, which you're not really happy about in the first place, the numbers are not pretty. There is someone in the queue standing and talking in the loudest voice and in the most colloquial of languages. Yelna Matta, how are you? What have you been doing? You're like, okay. You see them once. They don't stop there. I had a beautiful day. I went to a party last night. Super party. Excuse me, you're trying to pay the bill over here? They don't listen. And marketplaces are the best places to witness this. Last night I went to a Shoppers Stop. I went to a high-end brand & Brothers, and today I'm in the Gully Street. Excuse me, you're in the Gully Street. Why do you have to talk about the brand? Price tags, bills, marketplaces, exam halls. Before you go to exam, that is one time that's going to be. I have studied everything. Who wants to listen to that? All of us know that we study the day before the exam, and you definitely don't want to hear anybody telling that I have revised it a lot of times. With that, I would like to, I take this opportunity to convey a message. When you're on the phone, please think of the people around you, please think of the situation that you're in, and then carry out the conversation. Back to you, Toastmasters.
Contestant number 4 is Ulla from BG Toastmasters.
This Green Toastmasters is apt. After hearing wonderful Hebrew Toastmasters, I think, is this representing me? I've always been outstanding Toastmaster in the sense I've always stood outside. I've not been very frequent and seeing all these people. This reminds me of either talk sense or do not talk. How many times in life that whenever we meet people, we say yes, hope, zip him off. Have you ever felt that? How many of you have felt that? Without you continue to feel that, thank you.
Contestant number 5, Vivek John from Smedley.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I see many esteemed Toastmasters, many legends out here. I'm going to make a statement. Statement is, we Toastmasters are pretty much similar to cartoons. Would anyone agree with that? No. I agree. Is it because we look like cartoons? No. It's because, just like cartoons, we communicate with an audience. Why are we here in Toastmasters? To improve our communication skills, to talk to an audience, to share with them our thoughts. And cartoons do the same. So we are, in a way, pretty similar to cartoons, I must say. In this week, you see a common man standing and he's giving 10 rupees to the auto driver. And he's not happy with it. Well, isn't it? I mean, in today's world, where prices have risen so much, even an auto driver finds it difficult. And his expression shows that he's very angry and annoyed. And you can see the common man try to outwit him. This clearly shows today's life in a very subtle way. People want to save their money, and at the same time, people have to, like the auto driver, have to take certain methods to, safeguard their values. So what did they do? They made a fixed rate of 70 rupees, if I am right. So in this end, I must say that the artist has clearly depicted the difficulties of the common man, just like the famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, if I am right. During the ages, a cartoon tells the lifestyle of a person, the problems and the joys. And this is a picture, and a picture is worth 1,000 words, 1,000,000 words if I may say so. And just like a Toastmaster trying to communicate with an audience, in order to tell them, frame a speech, a proper introduction, a proper end, and a proper transition. In the same way, a cartoonist, with his talent, makes funny faces to show the problem in a funny but yet subtle but in a true manner.
That concludes our cartoon speech table topics contest. The tally counters will now collect the judges' scoring slips. Please move them up for collection. And hand over the lectern to our MC.